Do you want to speak English, like a chef? In this video, you'll learn cooking verbs that you can use every day in the kitchen. Stay with me and let's cook with words.
Bake. I will bake a chocolate cake today. Boil. Please boil the potatoes for dinner. Fry. I like to fry eggs in the morning. Roast. She will roast the chicken for lunch. Grill. We will grill some fish tonight. Steam. They like to steam vegetables to keep them healthy. Chop. Can you chop the onions, please? Slice. He sliced the bread very thin. Peel. Please peel the apples for the pie. Stir. Don't forget to stir the soup while it's cooking. Mix. Mix the flour and sugar well. Spread. Spread butter on the bread. Pour. Pour the milk into the bowl. Knead. You must knead the dough for 10 minutes. Squeeze. Squeeze some lemon juice on the fish. Crush. Crush the garlic before adding it. Blend. Blend all the fruits together. Melt. Melt the butter in a pan. Skewer. Skewer the meat and vegetables for grilling. Freeze. Freeze the ice cream overnight.